Okay, so we've got another trace table, or tracing through a flowchart here. We've got a couple of inputs, and we need to work out what's going to happen in terms of the outputs and what's going to happen when we get to the end. Okay, so what does it say? Consider the following algorithm. Determine the outputs that will be produced by this algorithm. Okay, we're going to begin. We've got k equals 47, n equals 10. Yeah, k mod n is less than 3. What I'm basically saying is, if we divide k by n, so if we divide 47 by 10, would the remainder, the mod, be less than 3? So we've got a divisor, and we've got a quotient. Okay, let's just give that a recolour. So our divisor is 10. When we divide 47 by 10, we get 4. Okay, but we get 4, remainder 7. Okay, because 10 goes into 47 4 times. Don't consider decimal places in this respect, as I mentioned to you before. Just think about the remainder. When you see mod, think about the remainder. Okay? So, and don't go the other way, because of course 4 goes into 47 11 times, 44. Okay? So 11 times 4 is 44. But we'd start, if we've been given the divisor, okay, 10, let's make sure that goes underneath. Okay? So we can work out what our quotient is. So, does it equal less? Does 7 equal less than 3? No, it doesn't. So we'll come down here. Output k. Well, we haven't changed k at all yet. So k equals 47. These are our outputs. Okay. So k equals k divided by 2. So 47 over 2 equals 46 would be 23. Again, remainder 1. But we're going to focus on the whole number. So 23 coming down here. So 47 divided by 2. 23 comes back and gets plugged into here. So then we've got 23 divided by 10. Okay. And that will obviously give us 2. 2 lots of 10 go into 23. 2 remainder 3. Okay? Thinking about the remainder again. Is the remainder less than 3? Is 3 less than 3? No, 3 is equal to 3. So, no again. So output k, this time is going to be 23. K equals k divided by 2. Okay, well, k divided by 23 divided by 2 would be 11, remainder 1. Okay, I'm just going to let you know that. 23 divided by 10, yeah, would be 11, remainder 1. So, when we do that, divide that, 11 divided by 10 would equal 1, remainder 1. Is 1 less than 3? Remember? 1, yeah. Remainder 1, 11 divided by 10. Is it less than 3? Yes, 1 is less than 3, so output k. So we output 11, okay? And then we end the program. Sorry, I forgot where I was at the moment then. But yeah, that would be it. Okay, so we've got 3 numbers, 47, 23, 11, okay? And then we end the program. And that's it for that one, okay? Remember, mod is what the remainder is. It stands for modulus, okay? Don't worry about the div. Div will come to in another one. If you see div, that is not the same. That's, does it divide by? Okay, but modulus means remainder. Okay, and that's it. Thank you very much indeed. Okay.
Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.